Smells amazing. But before someone turns this cookout into an insurance claim, let's talk grilling safety.
Why are you in my backyard?
First tip, keep your grill at least 10 feet away from your home, siding, anything flammable. Heat and flying grease can start a fire quicker than you can say, "Who brought the potato salad?"
I love potato salad!
Before grilling, check propane connections for any leaks. A quick soap and water test will spot air bubbles. And if you smell gas, shut off everything immediately. No lighting, no grilling, no smoking.
How did you get these chairs out of my house?
Keep pets and kids at least 3 feet away from the grilling area, because one foul ball can lead to quite a bad afternoon.
But I've got good hands.
Next tip, clean up grease and fat buildup off your grill regularly. Grease buildup is one of the biggest causes of grill flare-ups, which is why you should always keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Never use water on a grease fire. There you go. There you go. A few simple precautions can help protect your home, your family, and your summer fun. And if anything unexpected does happen, Erie is always there to help.
Dad, who is this lady?
An insurance person?